going to Sri Lanka. We have any Sri Lankans here? No, I hope I don't embarrass you by asking, but this is one of my favorite mosques, the Pomegranate Mosque. Okay, and this was built by a man who we believe is a saint. He wasn't an architect, he wasn't a builder, but they had to build a really beautiful mosque in downtown Colombo, and they had very limited space. So he said, I'll copy the pomegranate. Because the pomegranate gets lots of seeds in one place, doesn't it? And then also, what's the cultural aspect? Well, the pomegranate for Sri Lankan Muslims is a symbol of Islam. Because the people who spread Islam to Sri Lanka, they came from countries where they have pomegranates. They don't have them in Sri Lanka. So they associate the pomegranate with Islam. So it's a pomegranate mosque. And I just think it's fantastic. And I wish we could go there and pray there. And look at it. Keep going. Look at that. Look at that. That's a pomegranate. Look at that. Okay, look at that.